1 in 1.36 million odds to earn block reward. So you guys, we're live on Market Musings, CoinMarketCap Alexandria blog, articles done by Conceptum reviewing this cool, and it's your boy here, Akahilz, live on YouTube. So reviewing this article, it says mining on the BTC blockchain is far from easy these days. Not only are there fewer coins to find, but increased competition means miners need sophisticated equipment and abundant access to electricity in order to succeed. So major mining pools dominate the landscape, controlling sizable chunks of BTC's total hash rates and receiving the lion's share of rewards every time a new block is added to the network. So these bad news for everyday crypto enthusiasts, and the long gone are the days where BTC could simply be mined on a laptop, but it is impossible for small players to be given the lucrative honor of mining the next block. And on Tuesday, one lucky individual beat the odds and earned a life-changing sum of money. The miner in question had just 126 terahashes per second of computing power to their name, and according to the blog, they only had 1 in 1.36 million chance of being selected to mine a block. So guys, we have a CMC's CoinMarketCap podcast. You can check it out. It's usually informative for crypto enthusiasts. It's available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. So back to the news. This is fun. A new block is added to the BTC blockchain every 10 minutes, and the miner in question will now receive 6.25 BTC. That's worth $266,235 at the time of writing. To put this achievement into context, a miner with 126 THS per second, terahertz, I think that's how they pronounce it, so would statistically face a wait of 9,500 days if they began using their equipment today. So that's 26 years. Wow. So there are some things we don't know too. One of them concerns how long the miner has been attempting to win the block race and the size of the electricity bill that they have amassed along the way. We have Wolfie Zhao from Block Research said, "This is fun. Winning full BTC block rewards with only 0.00073% of the current total hash rate, either extraordinary luck or persistent proof of work or both." And Dr. Con Colivas, an admin at the BTC mining pool that the lucky enthusiast had used, said, "For the miner involved, it's a once-in-a-lifetime chance. There's usually larger miners that solve blocks statistically, but there is no reason even the smallest miner can solve one." So guys, that's it on today's news review on CMC CoinMarketCap. I believe you want to check out what it takes about mining and BTC, so you could be among the lucky winners someday. We do hope you find this informative, this news review. Feel free to share like our video. You can click on the subscribe button, drop your comments, let us know what you feel. You can also make your video request. It's your boy Keys. Stay safe, peace out, and much love, guys.